sa inyo at gagabay sa buhay ninyo. Hindi naman po lahat ng anak at lahat po ng pinag-aaral natin, ampon o ano, ay mabait. Pero ang mapapayo ko lang po sa atin ay maging mabuting tao lang po tayo. Guys, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa live ko. Ang ganda talaga ng bulaklak na pagmasdan ko po dito ngayong umaga. Ang ganda. Beautiful flowers that I amazed this morning. Good morning guys, sa araw po ng Thursday. Yan guys. It's so beautiful. They already all blooms. Mostly these flowers, they are all blooms in winter. Kapag malamig po siya, yan, namumulaklak po silang lahat. And then they are very amazing. Kasi po, yan. They're very amazing. They're very good. They're very nice. Yan. It's a tiny flower that blooms in the garden every time the winter comes. Like January, February. Yes. It's so beautiful guys. Pagmasdan po ulit natin ang mga bulaklak na to na nandito po sa ating hardin na nakikita po natin. Wow. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. It's so fun. And then this one guys. Ayan. Papagmasdan po natin lahat ang mga kulay ng bulaklak na to. They are tiny flowers guys. They are only like a rice size. Pero maganda po siya kasi maliliit siya pero magaganda po siyang mag-bloom. It's so beautiful guys. Here. Over there. Pagmasdan po guys ang mga magagandang bulaklak na to na po sa ating garden. They are huge guys. They are very huge. So beautiful guys. They are very amazing. They are very good. See the flowers is so nice, bloom in winter. Yan guys, so very beautiful. Madami po sila. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I love you all.